wumve sikia
arimo magazi ari nyamatse rwanga guhunga yigabije baragiye impeta nkuru zivugiye mu rugerero we yemwe we genda kimomo uratwite icyo ngukundiye uri umuntu mugabo mu muco w'abanyarwanda
kirazira
kwigunga uri kumwe n'abapampe abasarada bakunda cyane
aho
genda kimomo uratwite
irasozera twirebera filime yacu
ngukundiye uri umuntu mugabo
bimeze bite
habiriza neza gisara batwara cyangwa utabundi umuhanzi udahana yitwa nzinzi wazigiye yemwe we genda kimomo uratwite icyo gushimiye uri umuntu mugabo
kimomo ngaratwitse
ibagirwa ibindi byo gukanda guhera none fata telefoni yawe ukande akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri 1 urwego ubona ibitangaza aho ushobora kugura umuriro amayinite ifatabuguzi rya Star Times ukagabanyirizwa buri ukuguze kanda akanyenyeri 662 akanyenyeri mu rwego uranshimira nyuma ifashe easy and affordable for you kadashya
hey ayo basi narakubwiye ngo barukumvisha ngo ni kimomo bundi yari impamvu rega umuntu aba yitwa kimomo inkuru iba yarabaye kimomo hiti yaratumbagiye ubu baratwumva n'ibwota amasimbi bimeze bite ndacyari namba 1 natangiye mbayoboshe inkoni y'icyuma mbona barakigira nabi ubu mbayoboshe agasuzuguro babasobanuzi bavugaga umba yobosha agasuzuguro cyakora icyo basigayeho ni kimwe nabemereye basigaje kujya hirya no hino bamvuga nabi bansebye ariko mu bikorwaho ndacyabayobosha agasuzuguro cyakora nabemereye kumvuga da kavuga nabi bakareba ko ari icyajya mbere ariko mu bikorwa ndacyayobosha inkoni y'icyuma bimeze bite ubundi banyita namba 1 abanzi ntago bangereranya abamenye ntago banshidikanyaho nuko dutangiye filime yacu Lionsgate presents ku gasobanuye-films.com nozisohokera bimeze bite iyi filime wabonye filime nyinshi David Hacker iyi filime niye sibyo noneho na amadolari 7 Scott Eastwood uyu mugabo ni icyamamare Kevin Durant aba bakinnyi ni ibyamamare we nje misegiramo n'ubwoba n'abastari tunuga filime bagahuriyemo Tyrese Gibson yagukiniye na za kiniki Mel Gibson uramuzi hey Dangerous iyo filime yacu Dangerous cyewe hey kututangiye filime yacu kurikira filime ikindi cyiza cyane cy'umwihariko sobanura ijambo kurindi filime uko bayanditse ni kuyimenya nasoma nize neza sindi nk'abana baza bagasakuriza muri filime bameze nk'abari kogeza umupira bigize Fuadi niko bigize Axel birani ibiki barakwereka rubugabo tutangiranye yaje akorino hari urwandiko bari bamwoherereje amaze kurufata agaruka mu nzu kugira ngo umenye ko umugabo atari umuntu mwiza ufungura
happy birthday
bite di isabukuru nziza
celebrate it together
nakifuje ko tuyiselebrate turi kumwe
more months and your parole is done
ariko arabura amezi makenya kuba leta yaragure ko iby'agateganyo bikabirangiye ku buryo wajya ariho hose
love Guardian Island
kino kirwa bita Guardian Island imbaho ni cyiza
so beautiful
hano hantu ni heza pe
I really think I found what I've been looking for
bisa nkaho ngeze kuri iki kirwa nabonye icyo nashaka cyose
ready say hi
Susan na Fred baragusuhuza
little brother Sean
yari murumuna wanjye wawe Sam yitwa D leta nyine asa nkaho yigeze gufungura leta ikamurekura isaha ye iyisonnye anywa ibinini uyu mugabo bisa nkaho ari kuri parole kuba barakurekure kugira ngo witware neza nabona witwaye neza n'ubakurekure burundu mugabo ari hano abayuhira ibyo yuhiro bimeze biti uko tutangiye filime yacu mugabo mu nzabamo aterura ku byuma n'iki ashyira akantu undi musore wese ka siporo ni ingenzi barakwereka nyuma y'igihe yarongeye bamwoherereza urwandiko rebe nahari nakubwiye ngo
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Cold here on the island.
Hano hantu ku kirwa rakonje.
These renovations before the holiday.
Ndacyari kuvugurura kino kirwa utuntu twaje twinyubako.
In over my head this time.
Kuri inshuro meze neza ndi gutekereza neza. Nakifuje ko akabayuri hano. Jimurimo nawe. murumuna wawe umwandikira ngo abakukirwa ahantu wari utwari kuri renovatinga umugabo nyitozo byose bikora mu nyubako mindani umusore dutangiranye umwandikira ni murumuna we bimeze bite nakubwiye ngo wabonye filime nyinshi iyi bayise ngo iki Dangerous hari umwandikira tumbabarire
December 8th.
Shani yapfuye murumuna wawe tuzamushyingura itariki 8 z'ukwezi kwa 12 wa murumuna umaze iminsi amwandikira yapfuye sasa yukwegama ku rugi rw'inzu ye yumva rurangaye wa murumuna wamaze iminsi abakukirwa kugera mu nzu ye usanga arakagabo kareba gutyo ntubikore kagabo twasiga kuye yimbunda bigenze bite ku kanya barakwereka hafi kuri iyo nyubako hari abandi bahise bazamuka bihuse cyane SWAT mu nyubako y'umugabo kurikira filime witonze kira tukiri SWAT muri ya nzu ya wa musore twatangiranye bamwita ngo ni D barakwereka inzu ibintu byamenaguritse bisa nkaho ari abarwaniye twasize hari ikigabo bonye mu nzu ye barinjira bana bashinzwe umutekano ni SWAT umugabo bari bamubwiye ati umuntu wamaze iminsi apfuye azashingurwa itariki 8 kugera muri dushe harimo amaraso hano hari ikiriyo kure bano kakagabo kwinjira mu nzu ya D yakambuye imbunda aravunagura nimba yabikoze ate cyewe aracyari muzima agera amagara b'imiti abaganga bazamuvura gatururi mu nzu y'umugabo kureba imiti n'umusore yanywaga yahawe n'umuganga bita Dr. Adwood n'igisaya cyikuyeho nicya gisaya wambara kugira ngo bamenye aho uri turi Cleveland muri Ohio Mel Gibson urabona ko
Special Agent Shaughnessy.
bayita Special Agent Shaughnessy reka ndebe kature badge yawe kuri Special Agent Special Agent do you feel special vikigari nguri Special Agent none se iyo wimvumva uri special koko ni igisaza ni ikiganga bamwita Mel Gibson ni cyamamara
Goes by the name of D. Dylan Forrester.
Yesu ufite umurwayi witwa D cyangwa se Dylan Forrester yego ni wafura kuriya musore
Dylan Forrester. The man you prescribed these.
umugabo witwa Dylan Forrester wari warandikiye ino miti
I that D.
tumwita D Forrester
He's one of my most interesting, most promising patients.
numwe mu barwayi mfasha bakimeze nkaho rwose batanga icyizere ko bazamera neza vuba
Why?
He broke his parole.
ejo yangije
Where he is?
gahunda twari rukuru leta gufungura nyine umusore yangije parole barakurekura nyine bakara ko yitwara neza igihano kigakurwa burundu witwaye nabi baragusubizamo
Tempted. Well, that's progress in a strange kind of.
usura musore rameze neza
Are you sure it wasn't self-defense?
ese umuntu yakubise ntiyari ari kwirwanaho
Then left him hanging in his bathroom.
yakubise umuntu amumanika muri dushe
Oh,
nk'iyo umanika isuyime mva ikiganga ariko nacyo ni ikigori
working. Well, D and I have been working together.
uwo dimaze igihe mukorera dukorana
Put his past behind him.
ngira ngo ahahise mpamushyira inyuma bano ni babaganga nyine bakuganiriza ufite nk'ihungabana utameze neza mu mutwe akakubwira imiti uzajya ubundi akakuganiriza
It just doesn't seem the kind of thing that he would do.
gusa ibyo bintu byo gukubita abantu ni ibintu atakurira umusore nk'umuntu umaze iminsi murwaje
It was me who put D. Forrester in prison
ni
for
njyewe wafunze D Forrester amushyira muri gereza imyaka 8 ishize
on what he's capable of.
njyewe icyo ashoboye ndakizi twamufungiraga kwica
Perhaps you and I should have a
Oh
session.
no,
njyewe nawe rero tuzamuganiriza
no thanks.
oya
D has paid his debt to society.
D igihano mwamuhaye yaragifungiwe yarakirangije
Therapy and my behavioral modification technique.
yari ari kuri therapy ndi kumuvura kandi agenda agaragaza ko azamera neza
Society.
kugira ngo yigaragaze muri sosiyete neza
Live a relatively normal life.
A normal.
yongera abeho ubuzima busanzwe
There is a big difference in what's normal for
hari itandukaniro hagati ya D n'ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu we ntabwo yabushobora
Dr. Hollywood.
Dr. Adwood
You know you're obligated to contact the authorities.
urabizi ko wemerewe guhamagara ubuyobozi
Patients might do themselves or others harm.
mu gihe umwe mu burwayi urwaje ubonye hari ikibi yakora kuki utaduhamagaye
I don't know where D is.
D ntabwo nzahana ariko
I'm sure you understand that confidentiality is the basis.
kandi muri kano kazi kacu k'ubuganga dukora ikintu cya mbere tugenderaho ni confidentiality ibanga ry'umurwayi
Doc.
I'm sorry you feel that way. Well, then, unless you have some kind of court order.
keretse niba ari urukiko rwaguye urupapuro rwo kuza kumfunga n'ubundi nsohokera mu nzu nuko abari abakora nta kuza witwaje ngo ufite badge yarakubwira ati ariko nimba nta rupapuro rukwemerera kuza mu nzu yanjye kumbaza n'ibibazo byinshi busohotse turacyafite ibindi byo kwitaho abantu bazi uburenganzira bwabo mu nceri kugira ngo ubu hari umuntu wakwinjira mu rugo rwawe kuko yiboneye
Your place.
banza guca kubavoka
So
nk'ijana
he's not a threat.
icyo nababwira umusore nta kibazo ateje pe njyewe nari maze iminsi murwaje uriya musore nta kibazo ateje kari kutubwira kandi uriya musore kuko bamusanze mu rugo iwe babibonye mwibutse ufite imodoka ifite ikibazo igaraje rya didisha iryo garaje riba hariya kuri cafe du siècle kwirange bararoze Shaughnessy
Younger brother, Professor Sean Forrester, is some big brain history scholar.
ati twamaze kumenya makuru ko ari umuvandimwe wa D witwa Sean ngo bamubonye ahantu ku kirwa niwe yaramaze iminsi aba ahantu mbega yafunguye akabari nyine usanga gatanga bed and breakfast
Place called Guardian Island.
ngo bahita Guardian Island.
Get me someone in the Washington State Police.
mpamagarira abantu muri Washington Police turi kutwaboherezayo.
Got it.
Sawa bamenye ko urumva nimba umuntu utangiye guhigwa na leta bahita bavuga ati yarafite muri wenda uri ku kirwa ashobora kuba yahungiye kwa bene wabo dutangira kuguhigira kwa bene wanyu no mu nshuti zawe iyo twakubuze cyangwa akabari ukunda kunyweramo. Ese urwunge niye ukunda kurunywera cyane cyane wakoze icyaha bakunda kuguhigira kuko bavuga atahana nywera urwunge ntago yahacika kuko umuntu wanyweye ku rwunge ntago yarufaho. Barakwereka umusore kuko yese afata ubwato yerekera Guardian Island Katurori uramubona ariko Yesu aza kukirwa ikirungo cy'abagabo muri umuna we Shani kandi Shani batubwiye ngo yapfuye muri umuna we
back to the mainland.
Jensubiye kuri mainland Bana ubwato bwa basherifu uri kumwe n'abari abapfuye se wapfuye yari umuvandimwe wanjye kuri iki kirwa umuntu wapfuye baramuzi ikirwa kiba ari nk'agasantere gato aho bagize ibyago haba hazwi nuko natwe twakuze ahantu bakoresheje ubukwe tuba tuhabona insina zihari bavuga ati reka mbe maciye mu kanya ndagaruka ku gasuti ndanywaho tu ko byamera kose Katurori sore ya jano ni ku kirwa musore aza hano umuvandimwe yarambwiraga ati hari akantu kameze nk'akabari cyangwa se akamoteri banaryamamo kuvugurura rebe inshuti n'umuryango ba Shani Forest nibo bemerewe kuza mu kiri.
Sorry, Q, your new shiny object.
That is
Honestly, Joe.
Ntakurino.
He's a little weird. I think he's trouble.
Cyena nabonye ko you ashobora kuba ari ikibazo. Bari kuganira. Wibuke kari mu rumuna we.
I'm trying to look after you.
Oh,
Bari hano bari kuganira ro babonye. Rebe. Filime z'ubwenge ubundi nukuzitangira. Umusore avayo. Umusore yari rafunzwe.
D. Forrester.
Banyita D. Forrester.
further.
Muvandimwe wa Sean. Karize.
You're in room 12.
Ndagushyira mu cyumba 12. Rebe, muri hotel bita Novarandi bafunguye n'ishami.
Make it.
Ntago twari tuzi ko ribuze kuza. Umusore menya batamwizera.
Oh,
Hanakomeje kureba birimo.
so they're all in the back with Sean
Bose bari inyuma bari kumwe na Sean umurambo wenyine.
upstairs and.
Urashaka kujya bari? Oya.
I need to use my room first.
Reka mbanze njye mu cyumba cyanjye.
How would I show you up?
Reka nkwereke icyumba uri bujyemo. Rebe. Ni ya moteri ya murumuna wenyine murumuna we yiberaga ku kirwa. Katurori. Ujye bari baramufungiye kwica. Bamaze kumurekura ari kuri parole bareba ko imyitwarire yaba myiza bakamukorekya burundu. Yayisafuna umuntu bari guhigwa.
Here's your key.
Hano hahoze ari ibirindiro bya Navy mukubita urufunguzo rwe. Ntavuga amagambo menshi. Umugabo aratuje. Gusa icyo yakoreye umugabo twakibonye. Hey! Filime bayise Dangerous. Katurori arabanza hindura ikote.
Sorry for your loss.
Ananditse ati mwihangane kubwo rwo ibyago mwagize.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Ariko repeto tugamba ari buze kuvuga.
Prayer.
Ntago amenyereye gutanga condoleance. Ariko itoza ukuntu ari buze kwivuga. No iyo maze kuvuga condoleance uyambira umuntu wagize ibyago akitoza kuyambira ndayambira abantu nese nabyazi nibanda. Iyo maze guhumuriza umuntu ubwira ngo condoleance uramuyambira.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Ubundi ukahita umuntu wagize ibyago ati se hari icyo nagukorera cyagufasha. Bikumva? Nyine ari kugerageza kugerageza kwibaza utugambo ari bubwira abagize ibyago, ubwo ni nka famiye kuko nawe yagize ibyago, ni muri umuntu wapfuye, ubundi ugakora ku rutugu rw'umuntu wagize ibyago, gahoro garuka amubwira ati ahangane hangane akumwe bahoza akana. Mbega ni urugoryi nimba ruba mu yihe si ntabwo kiza ukuntu nyine wahumuriza umuntu agakonda, ariko ntababeshye nanjye ntabyo nzi. Isaha y'isoni nye buri gihe ahitanywa ikinini. Uyu mugabo afite umuganga, afite babaterapisite bamuvuraga, afite uwamuvuraga. Umugabo nk'abo usanga afite ihungabana mu mutwe, byarashaguye cyane ko yarafungiye no kwica, yarahumuye.
John, you couldn't tell that son of a bitch anything, am I right?
Yashan.
History, science, anthropology, brain like a goddamn elephant.
Bakiri kuganira ku kuntu uriya mugabo wapfuye yarazi ubwenge nta kintu atarazi, yebe siyansi biki. Oye mucicike. Ruinji. Asa nk'atamenyereye abantu. Sakura muri umuntu wapfuye. Ihe. Mukecuru. Mama.
Sorry for your loss.
Condoléances.
Touch me.
Ntunkoreho. Yaragiye kumuyambira bimwe yasomye.
Nerve coming here.
Uranatinyuka kuba wajana.
Someone said friends and family.
Ariko itangazo ryavuga ko inshuti n'abanyamuryango bari bazi. Wari kuruhe ruhande muri ibyo bibiri?
Sorry?
Biki? Uyu ni mama we?
Already said that.
Warabyivugiye.
Is there anything else you want to say to me?
Hari ikindi uvushaka kumbwira? He. Ari gutongana na mama we wapfuye ni murumuna we, mama ari kumusomera. Oya.
Perfect.
Sawa.
It's just perfect.
Aho ni sawa nyine. Mukecuru leta y'ukubita aragenda. Menya iki cyana muri famiye banacyanga. Cyase kititwara neza. Ku buryo na murumuna we yapfuye muri ko famiye abazungu none baragakemuye. Wagira ngo babanye na korona ubuzima bwabo bwose. Ushyingura ni babantu batanu. Bane. Bana guhuruza abantu ngo amuza yapfuye, Kigali yose amaraso agahagarara, abantu bagata akazi kabo, zikubera ibintu biri mu bisubiza shani igihugu inyuma. Gasanga twataye akazi, kura mu nzara z'umuvandimwe yapfuyemo ibintu bisa nk'umukara. Kureba ku ijosi abona hari ikintu kimeze nk'urukovu nk'urusebe. Basanga abo banadoze. Hey, nimba wapfuye byimenye rucisheni. Nanjye ariko nge ntango nzapfa. Yamanutse ku gikwa. Ese ko bacyita igikwa. Kiba kimeze nk'urwego. Vuga mukuru muri muna yapfuye.
You got my letter.
Inzandiko twohereje wazibonye.
No, if you would come.
Nakwandikiye nazi kuri buze kuza.
Glad you're here.
Nishimiye kuri hano.
Nice things about you.
Muri muna we yajyaga kuvuga ibintu byiza. Jewe?
Was the nice one.
Shani yari umuntu mwiza kuri njye, muri muna we.
I am so sorry about Linda.
Babarire ku bwa mama wawe Linda. Menye yarakaye nyine. Mama yitwa Linda.
Why is she upset?
Kubera iki yarakaye?
Because her son just died.
Kubera ko umwana we yapfuye, ikigoryi ibintu kiba kibaza.
That was days ago.
Is there anything that I can do to help?
Ese hari ikintu nakora ngo ngufashe?
Okay. Just let me know, okay?
Uze kumenyesha sibyo?
I'm supposed to say that.
Musore.
You were a little hard on D back there.
Muhungu wawe ariko nawe umubwiye nabi hari inyuma. Uwo ni D.
On D? He can't feel anything. That's the whole problem. You have no idea what I've been through, Susan.
Susan we nagusibye nanyuzemo.
Has done.
Nagusibye uriya mwana wanjye diye kuri famiye yacu.
How many cops came knocking on our door at the middle of the night, waking us up?
Abapolisi barashobora dukomangira nijoro. Baradukangura na Shani.
So hard doing his best to be good enough for.
Mu gihe Shani yari kwiga kugira ngo arebe ko yaza akavaringa icyo cy'umuvandimwe we.
All due respect to my daughter-in-law, just pour it and shut it.
We nimba ushaka kutivanga mu by'umuryango wanjye nsukira inzoga zibi. Ndakwinginze. Nsukira urwunge, umuntu wagize ibyago rero urwunge rufite ukuntu uramufata mu mugongo. Mu kazana wanjye nsukira urwunge uzibaho. Muri make urwunge rumurutira umukazana n'umukecuru. Uyu nawe si ugusuka urwungeye yiva inyuma. Ararusuka. Mukecuru ngaho ufata urwunge umwe. Umukazana udahanyira bo ku rwunge nyine ubwo nawe umenye ko bakwirukanye. Cheers ku rwunge mukaza. Tumwemo ku bwa Shani wapfuye. Iyo umuntu yapfuye banywamo kubwe, banywa kandi urwunge. Suka y'urwunge. Hey. none abakecuru n'abakobwa b'inkumi beza bamenye ibanga ry'urwunge. Dore n'abagabo nyagasani.
Massey.
Je banyita Massey.
Massey. Sean's friend from college.
Inshuti ya Sean kuva muri kaminuza.
Archaeologist.
Byakora.
You want a drink? It's a wake after all.
No.
Kangusukira urwunge n'ubundi twaje gushyinguro ya.
I don't drink anymore.
Nabaye magaritse kunywa inzoga. Hari abantu bareka inzoga kuko bakijwe, hari n'abazikurwaho na muganga. Hari n'abazikurwaho n'amakosa zibakoresha. Naho twese shaho wavuga iby'ubuki inzu hari by'iki n'iki iby'inzu cy'ubuki ni bwaribwa. Hano hari sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano mu gace nawe barashe gushingura. Ni sheriff ni cyamamari Tyrese. Yeah.
I'm at a friend's wake. Guardian Island.
Andi ku kiriyo cy'inshuti yacu cya Guardian Island.
No shit.
FBI oya ngo FBI barabizi neza kariwe ngo ni sheriff n'ushinzwe umutekano. Abamuhamagaye FBI.
Details.
Munyorereze details zose, munyorereze details mbereke. Uyu mugabo hari amakuru bamuhaye. Kugira ngo kurikire filime. Umusore yaje kwiryamira. Umuntu we yapfuye. Kumbe dore muganga we, Mel Gibson.
Alderwood.
It's me, D. Ninjewe D.
D.
You said that reconnecting with my family would be essential to my recovery.
Siwambwiye ngo kongera kwiyunga na famille yanjye biri mu bintu bizatuma noroherwa vuba byihuse.
Oh. And how did that go?
Uye na mama we byagenze ute rero?
She told me that I should leave.
Yambwiye ngo vana utumuka.
I'm so sorry, D.
Wihangane D.
It's an understandable initial response.
Gusa icyo gisubizo none yagoye kirumvikana.
For a while.
Biraza kugorana amakanya. Nawe bikugore.
As we practiced.
Imyitozo twakubwiye se yo guhumeka uri kuyitoza. Guhumeka winjiza umwuka usora.
All the hard work we put in.
Wibuke akazi kose n'imbaraga nagushyizeho.
D, take those lithium pills too, all right?
Nibyo binini bya lithium ngo ujye ubinywera iki. Biraza kugufasha.
You may even start to have feelings or emotions.
Ndetse uraza gutangira nawe ugira ibyiyumviro n'amarangamutima nk'abandi bantu. Menya iki gisore nta marangamutima nta emotion kigira. Kuko umuvandimwe wacu yapfuye ariko kigaramiye hariya.
Is there anything you need to tell me?
Ese hari ikindi waba ukeneye kumbwira?
Anything that may have happened recently?
Nk'ikintu kimaze iminsi kikubayeho?
No.
Oya, yanga kumubwira ko amaze iminsi yishe umuntu. Hari umuntu yakubitiye muri douche.
You're not the same man you used to be, D.
D, wibuke ko utari umugabo wahoze uri we na mbere.
All right?
Sibyo?
Okay. I will.
Good. Anything else?
No.
All right. Well, call me anytime. Yeah, bye.
Uyayitazana. Wibuke sheriff ara makuru bamuhaye. Kugira ukurikire filime. Yeah.
You're my Uncle D, aren't you?
Niwe oncle wanjye D, sibyo? Niwe Fred kano nakana ka mukuru munda we.
Grandma says you're insane.
Nyogokuru ko yambwiye ngo uri umusazi. Ntabwo ndi umusazi. Wumve?
I've antisocial
Abo
personality.
sinkunda abantu.
What does that mean?
Bisobanuye iki se?
It means a pervasive pattern of disregard.
Bigaragaza ko ngiye nta kintu mba nitayeho.
What does that?
Ushobora no kubangamira uburenganzira bw'umuntu.
I don't care how people feel.
Bisobanuye ko nita ku kuntu abandi bantu biyumva. Habe na gato.
I also don't have that capacity to feel fear.
Ikindi ntabwo njya niyumvamo ubwoba.
Make me insane.
Ese ubwo ibyo nibyo bingira umusazi?
No.
Oya.
I just see the world a little differently.
Ahubwo njye isi nyibona mu buryo butandukanye nuko abandi bayibona.
What do you have there?
Aho ufitemo iki?
Submarine.
Iyi ni submarine, ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja. Kigabo hano ariko ngo ngiye nanga abantu sinkunda ahantu hari abantu baramunukira bamuterarije. Ngo kandi akora ibintu atitaye ukuntu abantu bari bubibone cyangwa bari bubifuke. Ntitaye kugera hano yahise abona inzandiko zoherejwe na FBI zivuga ko uyu mugabo ari wanted ari guhigwa. Kandi uyamubonye ku kirwa abereye sherifu ahita akura y'imbunda. Hey! uriya musore FBI iri kumuhiga wibuka ari umuntu yanigiye muri dushe kandi yareshize iminsi bamurekuye ari kuri parole n'ikibazo
Saw something in D that wasn't there.
Shani buri gihe yabonaga ikintu kidasanzwe muri D ariko twese tutabona kidahari.
Well, I knew he got out, that's it.
Yagiye muri gereza asohoka muri gereza nibyo tuzi.
What did he tell you about this submarine?
Ese point iki yakubwiye kuri submarine? Freddy?
Go upstairs.
Jya hejuru.
Now, please.
None hajya hejuru. Uyu mugabo baramutinya. Kano nakana ka murumuna wabereye onkere ariko baramutinya.
You don't belong here.
We hano ntakari hubarizwa.
I'm Sean's brother.
Tumufani wa Sean.
It's the category I fit in.
Iyi niyo kategori mbarizwamo mubashe gushyingura.
You gave up the right to call yourself family a long time ago.
We famille yacu wavumaze kuyivamo kera cyane. Sherifu yashashe kumufunga. Nyagasani.
I'm the same person that I was back then.
Ntago nyiri umuntu naboze ndiwe maze iminsi mvurwa.
It's got me doing breathing exercises.
Maze iminsi nkora imyitozo yo guhumeka.
I'm on medication.
No kunywa imiti.
That won't change who you are.
Ibyo ntago byahindururiwe diwe mama we. Kubera ikize?
Because you're insane.
Kubera kuri umusazi. Mukecuru. Hey! Sheriff. Mugabo ntajya fari ntanyiganyige yaratubwiye ngo ntakiri ubwoba. Tugufungiye kuba wagerageje kwica umuntu.
You know the routine. Hands behind your back.
Amaboko inyuma. Ibintu bikorwa nk'ibisanzwe.
Now.
Ukayashyira inyuma. Rebe.
Spread them.
Tandukanya amaguru se.
Feds are on the way.
FBI iri mu nzira.
I'm down in the bunker.
Umusore baramutwara amujyanye muri banka. Charles durakana bereye tonto. Shaba tonto baragwira. Ukabona bagenda.
Right here.
Aho. Rebe.
Don't even think about it.
Ntunabitekereze. Cyo kuba yagerageza nko gucika cyangwa kurwanya inzego. Rebe.
Go ahead and have a seat.
Genda wicare. Uyu musherifu afite ikijwi. Sinabwiye ko ari nge sherifu w'uyu mujyi.
How'd you kill?
Oh, you'd have to be a
Ese noneho wishe nde?
little more specific.
Ariko warasa kuniga bwo urambaza ndi nishe.
You must be pretty happy the sheriff's got the psychopath.
Menya ariko mwese mwishimye ku buriya musazi waruje ku kirwa sherifu amaze kumufunga.
Yeah. Right, Joe?
Buri famille yose igira umusazi. Nkibaza ariko nta famille ibura umusazi nkuko nta famille ibura ikigoryi.
Hey, Joe.
Ariko abasazi babaye benshi.
I knew Sean.
Shani nari muzi.
Go way back.
Twari tuziranye mbere.
Not once they ever mentioned having a brother.
Ariko nta rimwe yigeze ambwira ko afite umuvandimwe.
The murderer?
Rumwicanyi. Mva sherifu ikibazo abaza ariko. Rumwicanyi.
He's just on the phone talking.
Twari turi kuri telefone tuvugana.
He wants me to come here and see him.
Ambwira ngo arashaka kuzazana akamubona.
He said that he wanted to talk to me about something.
Murumuna wajya gupfera yambwiye ngo ari ikintu ashaka ko nazana tukavugana.
Now he's dead.
None yapfuye.
And you're here.
None ni ubwo ugaragaye ni bwo uje hano.
Strange, don't you think?
Urumva ibyo bintu bidatangaje batangiye no gushaka umushinja amenye ko ari wishe murumuna we.
What is that?
Cyo ni igiki?
I need to take my pills.
Nkeneye gufata ibinini byanjye. Iyi saa isonnye anywa ibinini. Ubuzima niko bumera. umuntu usanga
Can't reach them.
ntago nabigeraho binkuriremo. Aramwegera.
They're in my front pocket.
Biri mu mufuka w'imbere humura. Ko baramutinya. Yambaye amapinga ari muri brigade ariko nukubanza bakamutunga imbunda.
You see my finger?
Urutoki rwanjye uri kurubona. Yo kumubwira tukora ikosa ruri mu mbarutso ndakumena. Ndakumena. Hey.
Don't budge. Be smart.
Ugira ubwenge n'ubuke. Ubuka nkurasa. Umugabo bamutinye. Yatwibwire ngo ngisingira ubwoba. Hey. Sinita ku by'abantu bari buvuge cyababona amarangamutima yabusinyitayo. Menyera ibyo bimugira umusazi. Byo byita ngo ikizi babyita depressants.
Control my impulses.
Bimfasha gukontorora umutwe wanjye. N'uburyo kimvuganamo n'abantu uburyo nitwaramo.
They make me more normal.
Ibyo binini iyo mbinkwiye nibwo mba normal. Nibwo mba umuntu usanzwe nk'abandi. Bize ngiye atarabinywa bari umusazi. Zarasose insinga zo mu mutwe. Yamufatira ikinini n'ibitoki nimba yanakarabye sinzi unyeganyega nkurasa. Rasama. Ashukunye utananda mu rutoki wanjye koryo. Yewe dukona kanina kanyinyira. Umugabo koko byarajaguye we. Kigabo byarajaguye. N'uburyo kireba murana ko byajaguye. Ko kireba nka sabe we. Buryo kinywamo ibinini ni busabe. Umuntu ukabona zarasose tu. Kigabo byarajaguye. Sabe w'i Bugande hari uwina hararengana. Umukobwa avayo hano azaniye Sheriff agakawa.
Thank you.
Urakoze. Sheriff afite urushwi.
Would you like some coffee?
Tuguye ku gakawa.
Thank you.
Well, if you change your mind.
Nendere ibitekerezo tubwire tukaguhe. Kirohora ubwato yumvishije.
I didn't expect the FBI to be here so soon.
Ntago nari ko FBI bugire hano byihuse cyane.
This big boy on the table right here.
Ubu ngubu rero wa musore ngiye gusigira bari abantu.
Crazy.
Iyi mbunda muko yigumane naza n'ubugoryo yitumurasa. Acho. FBI ubwo nigiye kumwitwarira. Ikurikirana ibyo bimeze bite.
Evening, fellas. Didn't expect to see y'all out here tonight.
Ntago nari nzi ko muri buze kuzana aba FBI yahamagaye.
What are you doing all the way out here?
Sheriff urakurikirana.
We got the call.
Ariko mwamamagaye.
Came out. We handled it.
Ibibazo nze hano mbe mbyito mu bikemure nyuma.
I will see about that.
Ibyo turaba tubireba.
Why so many of you guys for one dude?
Ese ko muje muri benshi ko hejuru y'umugizi wa nabo.
No.
Niyo uyoboye se dore n'ubu. Uyoboye afayo. Ukuntu bareba Sheriff n'agasuzugura baje. Bahita bamusigano barigendera.
What field office are you boys with?
Ariko abundi muri aba ofisiye bakorera mu kiye gisata. Rebe. Abantu na discipline bafite na grama shinzwe umutekano. Ntago muri FBI mwebwe.
Not exactly.
Ntago turi FBI. Fire! Ntago ari FBI. Abantu bahita babyumva.
9mm.
Ibyo ni ibikini 9mm n'ubwoko bwa pistol. Usore yumva n'urusaku rw'imbunda akamenye iyo ariyo.
What was that?
Cyo byari ibiki. Fire! Hey! Fire! Masasu ku kirwa. Hey!
We should.
Urabizi tugira icyo tubikoraho. Dukoreho ikintu. Bebe. Fire! Chawe! Masasu. Hey! Wait. Dokari kanga. Saniri ya mbunda.
You can trust me.
Wanyizera. Nyizera.
Oh, you can shoot me.
Cyangwa ndase nimbuta nyizera. Uyu mugabo ni umusazi. Hey! Masasu kuri Sheriff. Ibi filime. imikino. Bano bagabo barashaka iki ku kirwa? Kuri musore hari n'abandi twigeze kubona bamwinjirana.
To the lighthouse.
Sniper ajya kuri lighthouse. Kira kintu kimeze nk'umunara.
Pike recon the island.
Turasaka ikirwa cyose, dusake mu nzano hose. Bano bagabo barashaka iki? Abagabo barashaka iki? Katurore. Urebe. Yo.
Lock it down.
Muhafunge. Bose bahacakaza. Urebe.
Hey. Who the hell are you people?
Muri bande mwabantu?
Where's the sheriff?
Sheriff ari hehe? Bibutsa ko ndi sheriff w'umujyi wose waba yicaye muri kundeba. Abo njya mbona bo station bagerageza kwiba insirenge zacu nta n'umufungo baduhaye. Naje mbabwira ko ndi sheriff w'uyu mujyi. Mubabona mwiwe.
Well, what have we here? Don't move.
Iki dufite hano?
Does it look like I'm going anywhere?
Urabona tse nko hari aho ngiye se? Mukobwa ni bageze muri brigade ati. Mwese mwumvishe boss. Mwese telefone zanyu muzishyiremo hano. Bebe. Bose amatelefone agendanwa bayashyiremo hari abataza no guhamagara inzego z'umutekano.
Listen, and I just told you where he was.
Bareba uyu. Telefone yawe iri wa mukinga we. Ayinagamo ni P37 yari yanze kuyirekura ya Itel. Bebe. Shukunyemo hano.
Hey, I got a pretty young thing.
Mvana aragakobwa keza mabonye.
Call me that.
Winyita gakobwa. Ko gafunze umutwe.
Guys, until we find out what they know.
Nta muntu numwe turi bwice mpaka tumaze kumenya ibyo bazi. Bano bagabo barashaka iki? Barashaka kubanza kumenya.
We're good. Rest of them looks clear.
Ibyumba byose mbonye nta wundi muntu urimo. Telefone barayamena shaya kayiterisha ukuntu akora neza.
Why did that guy ask if we were the feds?
Kugira mugabo yazaga nimba turaba FBI.
We're here right now.
No kubera ko FBI iri mu nzira isa hano nuna. Mukecho.
Plan stays the same.
Mipango yacu iri yindi.
Why would anybody lock you in a cage?
Uko kuki bagufunze?
Sure, why don't we open the door and find
Wakinguye suka bimbaza neza turebana. To! Kimwe! Hey! Cyawe! Mugabo ni mubi cyane. Mubi cyane. Hasi. Hey! Fata imfunguzo.
What did you do?
We ukoze biki? Mvuniye mu ivi. Ndamutimbuye. Hey! Aba bagabo baje kukirwa kiriho umusazi.
You didn't kill him?
Ntago mwishe.
I don't kill people anymore.
Oya ntago nyica abantu. Muri make yahoze mbica ariko ubusinyi bica.
Shouldn't we? He's a bad guy, right?
Nese umuntu twakamwishe buriya si umuntu mubu nyumvira abakobwa b'iyi minsi. Ibyo ni bikoreba nimbura umwica sigara umwica. Musore ati mw'iyi minsi sinyica abantu. Iyo umuntu akubwiye ati mw'iyi minsi sinyica abantu menya ko abo yishe bahagije. Cyase umubare yari yarihaye yawugejeje. Katurore isadundira mukurikira. Abakobwa buriya nta keza kabo bo muri Amerika, bo mu Rwanda muri abana beza. Uyu muntu tumwica.
Whimper.
Bimeze bite? Wimpa ntago ari kwita.
What's going on with him? Go.
Kintu umenye Wimpa yabaye iki wamize ati.
Hey! Upstairs. No surprises.
Wewe jya gucungira hejuru atagira icyo dutungura.
Being a cancer dean. The weather.
Beje yagenze ute kumbe dore wa mugore wa FBI ari mu nzira zana.
Sheriff.
Nothing yet.
No answer at the end.
N'ubu ndacyari guhamagara kuri ka hoteli kari kuri kira kirwana muri kwitaba.
Friend from the shower.
Yanshuti yose mwabakubitiye muri douche imeze itari muri komo.
Dee knew that removing his ankle bracelet would trigger a response. In all my years of tracking Dee, he never left a body or a witness. So why leave this guy alive in his own apartment?
Ikintu nibaza kucyura mugabo yasize umuntu utapfa ntana musigari muzima. Yabikoreye iki? Biga yasize umuntu uri muri koma ntaba yapfuye ntaba ari na muzima.
Where is he?
Shani we. Hey. Wacishe.
Where you
really fucked up, didn't you?
I had to. He was on to me.
Yeah, muri hangana. Sean.
Where is he?
Kiri hehe? Ese uyu wapfuye baramubaza iki? Eh? Niki babuze? Hey!
You really fucked up, didn't you?
Man, wangisha ibintu sibyo?
I had to.
Nagomba kubikora.
He was on to me.
Yari amaze kumenya. Bino turabiganiraho nyuma bisa nkaho yari yoherejwe kuneka Sean. Ese Sean wapfuye baramubaza iki? Baramubwiye ngo kiri hehe? Ikintu kuri kiri film. N'abagabo ba Sean. Sean ni murumuna wa D. Yapfuye.
What's taking so long?
Felix kuki byatinze? Uri ariruka. Yo arirukanga. Patroli. Hey, barakurikira. Urabe, bano bagabo basha kukirwa barashaka iki? Urabe filime witonze. Byacisheni. Bimeze bite? Mugabo. Uyu arababona ntangagari sara yirukanga ihubagurika. Biriya bimubiterwa n'ubukene. Nubona umuntu ari imbere ya mikoro ari kuvuga ubusa atonga na sara n'ubukene. Ntangagari ivuga amagambo menshi. Dore ingagara ukuntu isi igenda gahora abakene iyoboye bakiruka. Mumurase. Faya! Fisha ukuntu ingagari zikora. Mumurase. Hey! Ako mwebwe abakene nimba ari ubukene. Mungubitira sha mutimburo wo mu Karitasi. Oya ingagari avuga ati mumurase.
I'll kill you too.
Nawe barakwica. Mukira subiramo imbere gahoro. Bano bagabo barashaka iki kukirwa. Barabanza iki Sean wapfuye. Icara hasi. Nta mukira usakuza. Ngwino. Ubukene bubasakurisha no kuba mutarakira Yesu muri mwe na Muhammad icyarimwe. Bicara hano. Bano bagabo barashaka iki?
So now do you understand what happens when you don't help me?
Ikiri bube ni mutamfasha muri kukibona.
That makes things a little bit clearer.
Reka nizere ko ibintu none muri gusobanukirwa ikiri bubabeho ni nko kubabwira ati nimutansobanurira ndabica kandi akabivuga tuje kugera hano babona urwana.
Hey buddy boy.
Bite mwana muto. Kan. Kigabo kirakinga. Bagabo bashobona ko bitoje. Buryo bafata imbunda buryo umugabo bafashe imbunda kabibona katari civilian. Whipper.
Oh shit.
What
in the hell are you doing in here by yourself?
Mwana muto urakora iki wenyine hano?
We got a situation in the bank.
Dufite ikibazo hano muri banka.
Jesus Christ. Someone fucked up Whipper real bad.
Hari umuntu watimbuye Whipper neza cyane.
Get down here now.
Branch aditumanuka hano nona. Wari umuntu wamukubise. Vayo hano nona. Amafaranga katangiye kumushiramo. Kiratangiye gusakuza. Yako byakomeye.
It looks like they have a lot of guns.
Batatu kandi birasa ngo bafite imbunda nyinshi.
You ever nice?
Kana bakazana kano kana kitwa Fred. Umuntu ukita umwana we Fred ariko nk'akana k'imyaka 3 mu bacunge.
You wanna come with me?
We ngwino tujyane. Ejo bundi merutse gusura mu rugo rw'abantu numva bari kujya bamagara. Ukadamasena ariko mwagafashe katagwa. Nsanga nakana k'umwaka kitwa Damascene. Narababaye. Hano n'ubusinda asubirayo. Bakomeza imbere. Kugirano.
What did you do, you idiot?
Kubikora iki wakigora kiwe baratonganya umurambo. Byande bavuga ngo wishe nari kumbe umusazi. Uyu bamwita umusazi ngo ntabwo bagira. Nta marangamutima agira ngo ibinini ngo byatuma no yongera kuba umuntu usanzwe akagira ama emotion. Hari ibintu byinshi kuriho ntakunze.
Shut the fuck up.
Funga umunwa wakigora kiwe. Yarababona. Arababona. Hey! Cyabinshiranye. Mukobwa nawe avayo. Uyavuye n'icyuma mushombe. Mukobwa avuze induru nyagasani. Kira kigabo menya ari igisazi we. Wa mwana w'umukobwa cyagatabaye tuzi kigiye kumushomba icyuma. Uhita avayo.
Fuck!
Stay.
Hey.
Umukobwa ntacyo abaye. Yo maniga baby.
He's a pretty lady.
Mukobwa mwiza nkawe.
With a shotgun.
Arakora n'ikina shotgun. Nibira bibune. Baby! Kikiri gutereta ubundi ni muzazi.
I needed a scream.
Kucyo nkase nagira ngo uvuze indura ze.
Fuck is wrong with
Ufite ufite ikibazo kiba gikasa umukobwa kugira ngo avuze indura nkaho kimubwiye ngo vuze indura atayivuze. Ni ikigoryi. Basana. Ni banka. Bari nk'indake kavumu hasaho. Cyo bita banka. Uyikorera nabona hari uri guhigo yitwa Dylan Forrester. Sike. Bebe. Ariane. Menya abana muzi. Ariane. Ubuke bari ibyo bari guhiga ni ibifitwe.
Get it done.
Abo nohereje ngo bamwice menye batarabikoze.
Of course he's here. It's his brother's funeral.
Yajanure garaje gushingura umuvandimwe we.
Guy's a psychopath, man.
Kandi uramugabo ni umusazi.
You remember Lansing and Harvey? Bogota?
Uribika ibyo yakoreye muri Bogota?
Missoula.
No, muri Missouri ibyo yakoreye.
He killed everyone while we just watched.
Yishe abantu bose turi kureba.
Here's what I don't get though.
Uriya musore ni mubi cyane baramutinya.
Finish off Wimper when he had the chance.
Kuki satishe Wimper kandi yarafite amahirwe? Menya gereza yatumye acika intege akisigaye yoroshye. Yagasani. Uriya musore bisa nkaho bano bagabo bamuzi. Uri bukwe by'ibyo yakoreye Bogota ibyo yakoreye za Missouri. Yagasani ngo yishe abantu araba. Fire! Icyari cyakomeje. Bira ni biki?
That felt good.
Numvisha ari byiza.
Let's get to work. Come on.
Tujye mu kazi. Wari wakubiswe yacitse intege babonaga ruri barushye bamurwaza nta mbaraga bafite zo kurwaza no kwikorera umuntu wabavunaguye bakeneye amaraso yo guhiga uno mugabo bamenye ko yahageze bimeze bite.
Whoever kills D gets Wimper's cut. Good? Good. Good.
Uncle D!
Uncle D.
Gutters.
Yashana.
Close this place down.
Ni gute inzu bayifungamo?
the lever behind the lamp.
Yeah. Inzu yose barayifunga bayishyiraho ibyuma barayitanangira bano bari basohotse bose inzu yose ayifunga.
Hey, Blanchard's still in there.
Blanchard yarakirimo indani.
Deep shit.
Bivuze ngo ari mu bibazo.
Blanchard?
Usigaye muri iriya nzu ngo ari mu bibazo mugenzi wabo.
Find me a way back in.
Mushake inzira idusubizamo indani. Urebe filime.
What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah, he cut me.
Byageze bitumeze neza. Urebe.
You bring this here now, during Sean's funeral?
Bino byose niwe biteye ku kiriyo cya Sean. Ntabwo ari njye bashe guhiga ariko.
Oh, right. This is just a coincidence.
No, birahuriranye. Umukecuru.
Phones.
Dukeneye telefone.
Can these work?
I'm really struggling here.
Hano mpafite ibibazo byinshi. Yamagaye wa muganga w'umugira inama.
Back in old habits.
Well, yeah, I know.
Ndabizi.
I know it is, D.
Ndabizi yabigoye.
The only one to have trouble with that, believe me.
I want to do some of those things so bad.
Kumva nshaka gukora ibintu cyane.
D, you're different.
Wibuke ko usigaye utandukanye nuko wahoze.
It's an act of will.
Icyo ukora.
Those new pathways of behavior we've created in your brain.
Ugomba kumenya ko ugomba gukora ikintu ushaka ariko wagitekereje ko kubera inzira nshyashya twashyizeho yawe. Ibyo agomba guhindukamo yose ari umusazi yica abantu.
Protect myself.
Bibaye ngombwa ko nirinda se.
Animal brain kicking in. Flight or fight, you know. But just stop.
Count to 10, count to 100 if you need to, and ask yourself.
Mbere yuko basi wirwana ubanza utegereza nk'iminota ubare nk'icumi uhumeke.
The things you think you'll be proud of later.
Kandi utekereza ko ikintu uri buze kuba ugiye gukora ari ikintu uzaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma. Bishobora kuba atari ibyo ngiye gukora.
And you probably shouldn't do them.
Rero ubwo ntubikore. Ikintu ujya gukora ukumva utazaterwa ishema nacyo nyuma ntukagikore. Namwe mwumvire muri kureba iyi filime.
These pills, they make my hand shake.
Bino binini bituma intoki zanjye zinyerera. Zikanatitira.
Are you here?
Kubera iki muri hano?
Fuck you.
Kinamutuka sinya nsobanura ibitutsi.
You know how much I'd love to cut your eyes out and feed them to you?
Uzi ko nakwica baranga bakugaburira muri kumwe.
I don't do that kind of thing anymore though, right?
Ariko ibyo bintu ntabwo nyibikora byo kwica abantu no kubakata. Ngo yarahindutse yewe kandi nta bandiri biri sirimu. We. Katururi. Turacyari ku kirwa bakita Guardian. Abinkwakuzi batangiye kunywa urwungi.
What you do to him?
Oh, he spoke. It's disappointing.
Oh my God, you killed him?
Watch the doors.
Yeah, I'm watching the door. I'm watching you too, motherfucker. What are you gonna do, huh? Huh? You gonna go after him?
Ugiye gukora iki kubakurikirana?
No. There's 4 of them out there.
Uya hanze hari abagera muri 4 bagenzi babari.
Didn't kill any of them.
Kandi nta numwe nigize nice muri bo.
Out of this house and off this island.
Ndagira gusohoke muri inzu no kuri iki kirwa niwe wabaduteje. Ariko yadutabaye. Yitabaye.
The only person he cares about it and always has.
Kuko umuntu yitaho ni ubwe naho ndi muntu yitaho ntabwo yadutabaye ahubwo yitabaye.
Isn't that right, D?
Sibyo D? Yagasani nyina atagiye kumwirukana. Ahari.
Huh? Did you piss someone off? You steal something?
Ese ari ikintu wibyara abantu warakaje bari kukugendaho?
No.
Yeah.
Did you really kill people, Uncle?
Ese uko wica abantu anko? Nakana biri.
Really bad people.
Abantu babi narabicaga. Abantu babi narabicaga Yagasani.
You should call this place Murder Island.
Aho kwita kino kirwa Guardian Island bazakite Murder Island. Kirwa cy'ubwicanyi. Rebe. Wambera vayo. Amatangiye kumubwira byose niyo abiduteje. Yinywera ibinini bye bimuturisha. Ngo nta bwoba agira. Watangiye kumena urugi.
Shoot the bastard!
Rasi kigendaro. Yavuye n'imbunda. Kirarunguruka. Rasi ariko. Faya! Bakimena itara. Hey! Itara bararimennye. Bamumennye itara. Ndakeka ndamurashe. Iki kivuye bakimennye ijisho. Cyari. Umuntu ufite imbunda umurashe nawe murase. Sniper abona inzu yose irafunze.
I can't see into the house.
Unzu ntabwo ndi kuhabona.
Pull the fucking.
Rasa mu gikuta wakigwaryiwe. Kubita isasura kubitore gataruka. Isasura kubitore gataruka ni sniper.
The whole thing's armor-plated.
Inzu yose iriho ibyuma ntabwo isasura ryakwinjira. Very armor-plated. Tururi.
Now we know he's watching.
Ubyibuza tumenye ko bari kutureba.
They're just testing us.
They're looking for you, not us.
Niwe bari guhiga nakari twe.
To leave.
Dusohokere hano bajye kuguhiga wenyine uri kuduteza abantu. Umubyeyi ukona tumwana we.
Go.
Genda sohoka muri inzu uri kuduteza ibyago. Asohoye umwana wamwohereze mu bicanyi. Sha ababyeyi nabakera koko. Okay. Icyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo sohoka ngo ujye ahantu hari abantu bafite imbunda n'ubundi. Ntabwo kiba cyumva ko hari ahandi ucyohereje hatandukanye naho cyari kiri.
Racked up some pretty sizable debt for a history professor in recent years.
But not so much debt that he couldn't buy an island.
Tumaze kumenya ko Shani wapfiriye professeri yari muri wa D. Wepfuye ari abantu yari afite ideni ryinshi ariko nanone umuntu nkawe wari professeri bidasobanutse ko yari afite ideni ringana gutya ryari ryinshi cyane. Yari no kubasha ritari gutuma gura kiriya kirwa.
Seems like being insane runs in that family.
Bisa nkaho hari ikintu cy'ubusazi kiri muri iriya famille turashobora kumenya kiriya kirwa n'iki kiriyo. Abantu bari kwicana.
This is your best bet.
How did Sean die? Exactly.
Ubundi Shani yapfuye ate muri wanjye.
Was restoring the lighthouse.
Yari ari kubaka ari ku lighthouse.
Done it every day until dark. That's when he
buri munsi yari akora guhera mu gitondo kugeza nijoro.
That's when he died.
Yapfuye yari ari gukora.
Someone he was.
Cyenda uraga mubwira ngo ashaka undi muntu umukorera ku kazi kanga.
He went out to take him dinner. That's when he found him.
Yo yagiye amushyira ibyo kurya asanga yaguye yapfuye. Yamanutse ngo kuri scaffold.
Just over a month.
Ni igikwa.
It's curious.
Tuzabaza sinzo.
Follow the trail behind the inn. It sweeps around the trees and leads about a half a mile.
Uca inzira inyura iruhande rw'ihoteli yacu hari inzira imanuka ikagera ku mazi.
I think you're doing the best that you can.
Kandi ngenda abona kuri gukora uko ushoboye penga umuntu muzima. Amufataga nk'igicibwa. Namaze tuwisha banatinisha abantu babi narabamaze ahubwo. Usore nyine yazinze utwe yigendere. None se ko nyina mwirukanye akamubwira ati mvira hano. Ubundi ngo mvira mu rugo simvira mu Rwanda. None iyo bakwirukanye no mu Rwanda ujya kubirwamagana.
He's gone.
Yagiye. Rigendeye. Baramusohoye mu Rwanda. Rwa mwijuru ryabo sha.
Yeah. Seriously, how are they going to know he's gone? We'll have to tell him.
Ati sasa igisigaye ni ukubwira bari abarashi barabicanyi ko D yasohotse kugira batamuhigira muri iyi nzu. Barababwira bati
Back inside that building.
Dufite gusubira muri iriya nzu. Musore inza kizuka abicanyi bari gushaka gusubira muri iriya nzu. Dore ya lighthouse. Bambwiye ko muri umuna we ariho yapfuye ari murumuna we yari porofeseri. Iki cyo ni icyicanyi. Katururi musore gake gake. Yo hey rebe abagabo baracyari hano ku mazi, mu mazi po rebe mazi bana babani
Sniper.
Sniper kuri kukabona sniper kureba hakurikiriya.
It says
D is gone.
Abari mu nzu baravuze ngo D yagiye, ngo D yagiye.
boat.
Hey rebe ibi film mbedura umusore sniper hano mu gipimo sasu umusore yitsimba rebe hey yeah hey kasan yeah hey masasu ku bwato. Abagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa na n'ubu ntiturakimenya. Abagabo yinjira mu bwato. Umusore yatsa ubwato ahita cisheni yeah. N'ubundi bamwirukanye yarabibasigiye n'ibibazo byabo. Uyu muntu akwirukanye nawe uramubwira ati n'ubundi nawe wimenye.
Still got the other boat. Try not to lose that one, you fucking moron.
Dusigaranye ubwato bumwe mwabajinga mwe nabwo nitububuri.
Sniper my ass.
Sniper wa gatafari we. Sniper kisi.
I got nothing, just rocks.
Hello?
Dr. Underwood? Hey, it's me, D.
Dr. Du, duranyumva. Yamagaye wa muganga umve.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Meze neza.
You still with your family?
Cyari kumwe na famille yawe?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Yego ndacyari hano.
I was gonna leave and then, well, they needed my help and...
Nari ngiye kugenda ariko ndatekereza ntibakeneye ubufasha bwanjye sinabatererana.
Good for you, D.
Ibyo ni byiza, D, ni byiza. Asoma ku rwunge.
Trying to do my best here and I...
Ndikugereza ukuri uko nshoboye hano.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Nobody's perfect.
Ukajya wigora nta ntungane baho rega.
I know.
Ndabizi.
Just I'm a little afraid it could get...
Gusa mfite ubwoba ko hari ibintu bishobora kuza kuba bibi cyane. Mbega bagomba kubanza akagisha inama muganga arumva yarasabana akabamara ariko abemva kongera kwica bana ari ikibazo.
One at a time instead of all of them at the same time, and you know, like we talked about.
Ati mbere kugira ikintu ukora, ikintu cyose gikore mu mwanya wacyo. Kirangira ujye mu bindi.
Yeah.
Yego.
Yeah, I could do that.
Ibyo nabikora.
Usually easier that way.
Nibwo buryo ibintu byoroha mu bundi kubikora.
You're the D we need you to be.
Kandi uri D dukeneye kuba we.
Keep at it, son.
Komereza usha ibintu by'ibikorwa ibintu bikoresha.
Advice.
Akoze kongera inama.
Whatever you need.
Iyi ni ikimbere gukora igikosa arabanza akamagara therapist we kugira ngo yumve uko bimeze umugabo ari ku rwunge. Ari ku rwunge. Sniper kumbe hejuru ye. Hey! Inyuma ye. Umugabo yamugezeho. Yigize nk'agiye bagira ngo aragiye kumbe ntabwo yasiga abantu kandi asiko bari bukenera ubufasha bwe. N'abasivili ni famille ye. Abagabo hari icyo bafite kireba mu butaka. Bya bimashini bira munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo hano iki niki. Hey.
Oh my God. The guy with the big teeth is just standing out there.
Cya kigabo cy'ibyinyo birebire gihagaze hano imbere y'inzu.
You guys hear me in there?
Basore muri kunyumva?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Turakumva.
Sooner or later, that door is gonna open.
Bose cyangwa bitinze umuryango uraza gufunguka.
The door does open.
Umuryango nufunguka.
I want you to remember one thing.
Ndagira ngo mwibuke ikintu kimwe.
I don't need any of you alive.
Nta numwe nkeneye muri mwe ari muzima. Kasani.
If any one of you happens to be able to help me find what I came here for,
ariko muri mwagize umfasha kubona icyo cyanzanye hano gushaka,
then maybe we'll be able to work something out.
ari njye nawe dushobora kugira ibyo tuganiraho umuntu akaba yamugumisha ari muzima. Uyu mugabo yaje gushaka icyano ku kirwa, arashaka ikintu n'ubu ntabwo tukizi.
What do these guys want?
We bano bagabo barashaka ikintu nabo ntacyo bazi. Dina nuri hano ngabe yabidufashamo. Dinya Maria yavuze ukuri ntabwo ari bashaka.
If they don't want D,
nimba atari D bashakaga,
we need to find out what they do want.
dutangire dushaka icyo bari gushaka cya nyacyo.
Me about
Bari bazi ko ari D bashaka.
It's closed till tomorrow.
But here's something, might be nothing, but a 36-foot luxury yacht was reported stolen.
Hari ubwato ngo babonye bwibwe
Down the coast yesterday.
ngo ku munsi w'ejo.
No. A local boat captain from that same marina
Says he dropped off a guy to the island today who matches D's description.
Yavuze neza ko umugenzi yatwaye kuri kiriya kirwa neza neza ngasa nka D. Yavuze ukuntu nyine bimuranga twese tubona ari D. N'aba FBI n'umugore wa FBI barifuza kugera kuri kiriya kirwa. Abagabo hano bafite mashini ari kureba munsi y'ubutaka. Iki bari guhigira munsi y'ubutaka. Ibi filime.
Where you go?
Ki?
The only way we're gonna find it is by getting one of them to tell us.
Uburyo bwo kubona bino bintu nuko umwe muri batubwira aho biri.
Another way inside that place.
Kandi ushobora gusanga ari indi nzira nanone irimo hariya muri iriya nzu. Abagabo hari ikintu bari gushaka, ntabwo turamenye ni igiki. Katurure.
Seismic testing.
Bible bazanye seismic test.
What the fuck is going on here?
Kira ni ibiki bijya mbere hano. Seismic test ni biriya bisuzuma munsi y'ubutaka bakamenya ngo mu butaka harimo ibiki. Katurure. Mugabo hano abona indi nzira ku gapiki kabo. Abagabo bahatanye nk'uyu bamumennye ijisho ariko aracyari mu kazi. Ahita acana agarutse mu rugo urebe filime. Bebe zamuka hano, abagabo bari gushaka inzira. Zamuka hejuru. Abicanyi bari kwinjira mu nzu. Musore yakoze nta kindi yazamutse hejuru y'inzu, yabonye atabatererana. Ikintu cya mbere yabanje kwitaho no gukura mu nzira sniper. Yagwa kuri Blachard. Byagenze gute? Kinga yanyubikiriye sha. Kombe bamutimbuye.
Good? Yeah.
Izi neza? Bize. Fite bunda. Na n'ubu ntago tuzi barashaka iki. Abagabo bari kwicana. Yaca hejuru y'inzu. Kibakirasiye. Kiniki. Umugabo ari hejuru y'inzu. We ni umusazi. Hano hari akapa kamuraburizaga ko bamukuye muri iyi nzu. Ugiye? Uretse man. Kari kakandi bari baziritse. Ebe. Nyana yimbwa. Aragenda tukana. Nimba ari ikintu nanga no gutukana. Mbega ibintu byose bitarimo discipline. Mugabo yinjiramo indani. Ariko nta kintu numvishe. Nta kintu numvishe. Feza runguruka ariko nta kintu numvishe. Niko. Kana karakirasa ikigoryi. Kana ho kana n'umusazi. Bwa bubunda bw'abana kayirwanyeho. Ni abana babarimo. Wacyaro shaka kunda sasa inyuma y'umuryango. Rebe. Kimena umuryango. Makana.
Don't move.
Ntuva aho uri.
Freddy. Go downstairs.
Freddy manuka hasi gato nkubwire. Manutse hasi y'umugabo tugane icyo kivugira gahoro.
You know,
Abese.
I'll embarrass myself in front of you down in that cellar.
Kare wankubise numva ndasebye.
I'm gonna have to make it
Niyo
up.
mpamvu nshaka ko twongera tugasubukura umurwano wacu kuko hariya wanyubikiriye cyewe kitarakora ku mbunda. Ndapfuye. Hey.
Freddy, what's the matter? Oh, what's
Bimeze bite?
okay?
Hey, back the fuck up! Hey, back the fuck up! Everyone hands up! Now!
You know what? It's just as well that the boy left. My friend Ethel here is going to join us.
Nubwo umwana muretse ngagenda nuko nzi ko inshuti yanjye Ethel agiye kwinjirana akakumfasha. To baratangira gusa n'abasore.
Put it down, I'll blow her brains out. I'll do it. Just don't hurt her.
Yeah. Hey. Baby. Yeah, mugabo ciri ryinyo. Gusa n'abasore n'abasirikare.
Round 2.
Round 2. Round ya kabiri. Round ya kabiri. Yeah, hey.
No, D. I feel that you will cry right now. What do you think, huh? Need to beg for your life a little? I'll get the fuck up, you son of a bitch.
Hey! Yeah!
You gotta give me something.
Ufite kugira icyo umbwira mwana.
How much blood? And what's that, huh? Oh, okay.
Mugabo rabanza hano yubikira akantu kameze nk'akuma.
Going to try.
Ashaka kunjumbikiraho rese.
One of these here broken mirror pieces, huh?
Ni ikihe kimene cy'ikirahure cyera ushaka gukoresha se? Ahita mushomba ikindi yatoye kare. Urabe? Mukaguru.
Submarine. Japanese.
Submarine Japanese. Magambo yamubwiye.
Femoral artery. You're gonna want to put some pressure on that.
Uwo mutsi njombye yaza kugusaba kuwushyira kuwufata amaraso adasohoka ari menshi mu kanya gato urapfuye.
I really enjoyed that.
Shanda bikunze ukuntu nkwishe. Kagabahana kajombye ngo ni umutsi mubi cyane. Amaraso ari yava byihuse ukahita ucisheni. Bano barabatoshe n'umutsi ukubitaho urayibunda. Umukobwa ndamurasa bikamukurasira ahubwo. Fire! Cyo ntabwo bakigira kukibwira ngo ufite umukobwa ngo kikubabarire. Uze neza mukecuru arikanga.
You almost fucking killed me.
Uze gato ngo nyice.
Good thing you moved.
Cyiza nuko yisuva mu nzira nyine. Gasani n'urusazi koko. Yishe Brachad. Ndasa kaboko.
You came back.
Wagarutse.
What did you do, huh?
Wakoze ibiki?
What did you do upstairs?
Hejuru wakoze ibiki?
Did you kill him or what?
Wishe umuntu cyangwa?
I've been giving this a lot of thought.
Mama bino nabitekerejeho.
And I think that I deserve a second chance.
Nibwo nabonye ko nkuye amahirwe ya kabiri.
What?
Yesu Kristo. Ukoze ibiki umva cya kigoryi? Yewe! Bebe.
Mom.
Mama. Ukoze ibiki kishe umuntu? Bira nabisobanura. Ibyo kuba yishe umuntu ngo yabisobanura. Je, mbega umwishe.
Come on, I want to talk to you.
Disoka ndashaka kuvugisha.
Just stay away.
Jya kure yanjye wakicanyiwe. Kakagorikira, Kari Juni. Kakanyabwoba ni Juni ava.
That was the worst thing.
Kira nicyo kintu kibi kibaye nigeze mbona. Dorwo. Uyavayo. Do.
Well, D,
Bitete.
it's been a long time.
Harashize ikibarasiranye.
Feel like you've been avoiding.
Bese nk'umuntu uri kunyihisha.
I have.
Cyane nyine.
What happened to you, man?
Byakugendekiye gute mwana?
You used to be the best at what we do.
Wahoze uri uwa mbere mu byo twakoraga.
The best.
Wari uyoboye pe.
Now you're in the system and all drugged out.
None system wayivuyemo.
3 times a week to get in touch with your soft side.
Kujya muri therapy bakakuvura niyo mpamvu maze kuba imbeba ntukiri umuntu wa danger.
Sociopathic disorder.
Harya ngo indwara urwaye bayita sociopathic disorder.
Behavior.
Uri umusazi niko bakwita.
Moral development. Come on, D.
D.
These are just fancy ways for these people to call you insane.
Kuno buryo bano bantu bo kwisi basanzwe bakoresha kugira ngo bakwite umusazi.
D. Personally, I don't believe in saying
different
points of view.
Ibyo niwe wabinyigishije.
Point to this shit?
Yeah, I got a point.
Hari icyo ushaka kuvuga se muri kano kanya?
Are you just gonna keep pretending for these fucking people?
Ugiye komeza wicira utari kubera bano bantu.
What you really are.
Byaba byiza wemeye uriwe.
Because what you are is awesome.
Kuko icyo nicyo kirenze bro.
That's why you're here.
Niyo mpamvu uri hano. Yeah.
Must have told you what's here on the island.
Kandi ndabizi nawe uje ukurikiye icyo murumuna wawe yakubwiye kiri kuri iki kirwa.
He's fucking dead, D.
Buno yapfuye D.
Oh.
You don't know.
kumbe nta makuru ufite ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa icyo bari guhiga bose. Hey, kumbe nta n'ibyo uzi.
Take him.
Mumwice arabwira sniper mwice. Sniper kumbe bamumanitse. Hey, cyagiye kurasa umusore yagiye kare. Sniper yamurashe kuri iki kirwa hari iki. Umusore abyumvishe ko ari ikintu ari gushaka.
You didn't kill him either?
Kuki utamwishe?
What you did to that guy upstairs?
Ko n'ubundi abari hejuru babishira kuki utamwishe umva ni John.
What did he say?
He said there's something on the silent.
Aravuze ngo hari ikintu kiri kuri iki kirwa ndakure icupa ry'urwunge.
A couple $100 for groceries, some antiques.
Nibikisi bihari nyine ni ibintu bya kera.
Thing here.
Hano kuri iki kirwa hari ikindi kintu gihari.
Sean was trying to tell me.
Kandi muri wanjye yagenzaga kubimbwira.
He's trying to tell me something before he died.
Hari ikintu yasaga nk'ashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko mbere yuko apfa.
You know Sean, he couldn't have been involved with any.
Mwese muzibe ntabwo muri kunyumva. Hey.
They were in business with Sean, and they are here to find.
Bano bagabo hari ibyo bakonaga na muri wanjye wapfuye none basha kubishaka. Ni biki?
What aren't you telling?
Ibiki mutari kumbwira biri hano.
You said that Sean died while he was working on the.
Warambwiye ngo Sean yapfuye ari gukora kuri iriya lighthouse hariya sniper ari kuri kiriya kizu kimeze nk'umunara. Ntabwo nkeka ko yapfuye aguye.
No. You said Hugh found him, right?
Yavuze ko ari we muntu wamugezeho bwa mbere akimanuka kugura.
Son of a bitch, he was talking to him too. He was.
Kandi nabonye yuko kavugana na bano bagabo.
Okay, shut up.
Siba rero arijo. Yuni mwe barashe ari gusohoka yambaye umupira w'umweru.
Those men planted here to keep an eye on.
Uvuze ngo Yuni bari bohereje ngacunge Shani. Akorera bano bagabo. Uvuze ngo ari ikintu bari gukoraho.
Engine grease underneath his nails.
Hari amavuta ameze nk'amoteri nabonye mu nzara za Shani ubwo yapfaga.
He's been but stupid was never one of them.
Umwana wanjye ati nubwo ari ibintu byinshi ariko ntago ari ikigoryi. Mbega no umusaza ariko si ikigoryi. N'uyu bari kuvuga.
Felix. Let's try over there.
Mugerageze mushakire ntari abantu bari guhiga ibiri munsi y'ubutaka. Ni ibimashini bazanye. Ntago rimwe bya kera usanga umuntu acukura ari hose ngo turaza ko bigwaho oya. Injira hano.
Come on, Sean.
Muri umuntu yakoraga muri umuntu yari profeseri.
Come on, what were you working on?
There's that sound again.
Hey, no, I want
Nongeye kumva ryajwe hanze nanone.
to go after him. That freak tried to kill me.
If Dave wanted you dead, you'd be dead.
I can sneak.
Ndi yashatse kunyica, ndi yashatse kupfa akabaye wapfuye. Baramutinya.
Send your bullet.
Ndi ari hano.
Where's that door go?
That's the wine cellar. He spent too much.
Aho harimo wine cellar yihabwa ubiko bwa za wine.
Yeah, I know where the keys are.
Imfunguzo zawo nzo ziri. Nano yabikaga inzoga se. Abandi bana bafite ahantu nyine babika za wine zabo kugira bazazinywe zimeze neza. Harahiye. Kuri bana bona inkweto ziri hano zirimo ibintu bise nk'ibigodoro.
No way.
Bishoboka. Maybe.
A hidden door? Really?
Umuryango w'ibanga kweri wari hano. Natwe ntabwo twari tuzi.
Flashlight.
Yeah.
Cool.
Freddie, come here.
Fred ngwino hano. Harimo indi nzira y'ibanga. Bano bagabo barashaka iki kuri iki kirwa kiri gutuma bica n'abantu. Yeah. Shani. Uje kwibaza kuri kiri umunaki. Dore umuryango afumbuye. Yeah. Rebe. Iki kiri yaho hasi.
Coming down!
Daje.
He's down there!
Uriyora. Rebe. To. Kanako karakurikira.
Jeez.
What do you see?
The video's pretty bad.
Fito imeze nabi.
From one of the odd thieves.
I just sent it to you.
Ariko Fito ibyo yafashe amashusho yafashe rekanya koherereza. Muriza amashusho yafashwe.
It's Cole.
Uyu ni Cole.
100%.
Ijana ku ijana.
Dee's former employer.
Uyu yahoze akoresha D.
For the criminally rich and infamous.
Uyu mugabo yari umwicanyi werezwa n'abakire n'ibindi byabamare kurangiza akazi.
Skills for almost killing his commanding officer.
Uyu mugabo yavuye mu basirikare ba leta ba Sirzi, Navy Sirzi, amaze kwica fande we.
No, here they are.
None turi bari hano we na D.
Being called together again.
Se ngo D na Cole bari gukorana.
God damn it.
Siki kumbe ntago bari gukorana barahanganye.
Look, I'm sorry. I've tried everywhere. No one is willing to sail tonight. I'll call you if I come up with anything.
Reka tugere ku kirwa. Ati nta muntu wajya kuri iki kirwa muri iri joro. Abantu bose batwara amato ntago bari kujya ku kirwa, umugore ari ku ruhande ruri hakurino ntago bemerewe kujya ku kirwa iri joro.
As a matter of fact, yeah.
Sure you know what you're doing? Oh, me? Nah, I'm just fucking around. I mean, I'd let you try, but especially if you have both eyes. That's all.
D! Down here.
Akunino. D. Urebe.
What is this place?
Hano hantu ni hehe? Hano hantu haba chance. Mugabo yari yaraguze ngakarwa. Ashaka kukavaho.
D, don't leave me.
D could have been halfway to Hawaii by now. Maybe he really has changed.
D yahari menye yarahindutse. Urebe. Komeza hasi.
We're gonna get lost in here. How far does this go?
Isinzira ikira kure bingana iki? Bakomezamo hasi. Urebe.
This is insane. Oh, fuck.
Komeza imbere. Mu gicuku. Hano ikintu gihari kiri gutuma abantu bicara ubu nicyo nshaka kumenye. Mugabo ntukabone baragafashe barabonye amafaranga mu nshe baba barahigiye ahantu hose.
Lights.
Reka twatse. Kwatsa gutya hano. Yagasani. Yikanzemo. Yikanzemo. Hey!
Submarine.
Hari submarine ni bwa bwato bugendera munsi y'inyanja.
Japanese.
Bw'Abayapani.
World War II.
Yo mu ntambara ya kabiri y'isi. He?
Oh my god.
None yanjye.
Sean. What the fuck is this?
Shani ibintu ni ibiki?
Whoa, hold on.
We. Uyari hano?
I think I found something.
Ndakeka hari icyo mbonye. Munsi y'ubutaka.
Looks like a tunnel.
Isa nk'aho ari tano iri munsi y'ubutaka. Za nzira zica munsi. Ituruka hariya muri iriya hoteli cyangwa se kariya kabari.
Holy shit, to the lighthouse.
Ica munsi hariya kuri hoteli ikagera kuri lighthouse. Sike ni hariya. Sawa. Ubwo baraca hehe?
Let's find the entrance.
Ushaka hano twinjirira.
You down there?
Tuze gurira hasi. Bashaka ko binjirira.
He never told me about any of this.
hose nta kintu yari yarababwiye na Shani.
Fuck me. That's why I never heard about this.
Niyo mpamvu ibintu ntigeze mbyumva. Debera hariya nawe. Kurubano hari za mama we Yamashita Gold.
Yamashita Gold.
Yamashita Gold. Sabuza Yamashita.
Out in his books.
Ibintu byo horaga yandika mu gitabo cye. Sike. Bagwe kuri sabuza Yamashita. Saba Japan. Bagabo bari gupfaza habo burya. Buriya ibuye nibuye mu nceri. Ibi by'amafaranga ngo mupfa amafaranga. Hasi. Ku ruhande.
Mom.
No. Kigaba inzira kirayibonye.
It's right here. It's fucking real.
Mani sabuni izanyazo.
Show was full of shit back in school. This is correct.
Ntago nzi ko Shani yari umusazi bigeza tukigana.
Trying to tell me about in his letters.
Ibintu byo buri gihe horaga ashaka kumbwira mu nyandiko ye.
I think I found what I've been looking for.
Kuko yaranyandikiye ngo ndakeka icyo nahoze nshaka nakibonye. Sarisa. Fire. Cyawe. Hey. Sasu. Ibuye nibuye. Ibuye. Ibuye riri munsi y'ubutaka sha. Ibuye. Kubita icupa ryo rwongeye ku mutwe. Mwirukanka. Umukecuru. Kagakecuru. Wakarasa. Masasu. Yafunitse. Yewe. Kagabo kavunitse. Hey. Masasa abagabo burya bapfaga buye we. Noneho ndabashyigikiye ni barasana. Uyu ari bahanabona hari ikintu kimeze nk'amagazini y'uruziga. Urabizi?
Hey.
We.
Keep up, follow me.
Kira tugire nkurikira. Urikira umusore avayo. Hey. Masasu y'umusore. Batubwiye ko ntabwo bagira aricyo kintu cya mbere tagira. Hey. Rebe filime. Cyawe. Hey. Masasa tuma n'ibimuga byirukanka. Ngabo yavutse ariko kwirukanka ari buzima kubera amasasu. Yeah. Telephone.
Shut up.
Chikari. Bari kuturasa ziba. Bari kwihamagarira bari kubarasa. Ngabo aratuje nta kibazo afite. Umedoro ari guhamagara ni muganga waba yasinze akaryama mu ntebe n'ubundi hose ni inzu ye. Aho yarara hose ntareba apfa kuba yisindiye. Yewe. Niko.
Hello. Hey.
Hello. Ninja.
D. What time is it?
Sanga.
3-ish? Sorry, it's late. I know.
Bare burisha ariko.
I just have one question.
Ufite ikibazo cyo kukubaza.
Shoot.
Ngambwira.
I have to save myself. Could I go back to my old ways then?
Ese be ngombwa ko nitabara byaba ngombwa ko nsubira mu nzira nahozemo.
I'd have to say that, well, you really wouldn't be saving yourself.
We nagari ngombwa ko witabara riga.
Give up on all that great work that you've done.
We bireka ibintu bisikemura. Amasasu. Kiwe?
What the hell was that?
Juri biki?
5.56 semi-automatic machine gun.
Ni 5.56.
Oh yeah.
Bari kundashisha n'imbunda n'ubwoko bw'imbunda.
D, listen.
D unyumva ngubwire rero.
Do whatever it takes to save your ass.
Icyo aricyo cyose witabare utabara amagara yawe.
Whatever it takes.
Icyo aricyo cyose. Kumbwira ati barasa. Aha.
I'll lose my fucking license.
Baranyambura lisansi. Abwiye umusazi yararwaje ngo narasa abantu. Minisanti bimenye yamwambura lisansi yo kuvura abantu. Bamenye kare washusha umuntu. Abwiye umusazi ngo narase. Avayo. Bamuhaye uruhushya akeneye rw'umuganga. Ni urw'umuganga. Tereka magazine hano. Ku kibunda kiri kuri submarine. Terekamo yitonze nanda y'umujinya n'ugunda na kibirukansa bondera yambara mama we rebe film fire cyawe dore mbu umwana uburyo yambayemo dore ikibondo bwawe n'uburyo cyambayemo ku bitugu fasawu pishwi iki kibondo kiri hano kibunda gakiriya gisaba kuba wariye mama we wakiracisha gushwanyagurika rabe dore kibunda ije akagoryi kari inyuma yafayo dore kibunda gasani yarahatwitse harashya nawe afite agatwiko katinjiza kirahatwitse kumva agatwiko kacyo nta nubwo kinjiza ariko kirahatwitse agatwiko katinjiza
Stop!
vayo
Stop right there.
hagarara aho uri
So you found it, huh? I knew I could count on you.
zabo wazibonye
Wow. So your brother kind of undersold it, didn't he? It's too bad that he's not gonna get that.
ikintu kibabaje ni uko umuvandimwe wapfuye atari buze kwishimira muri izi zahabu yatomboye izo yifumburiye ku kirwa
Need you alive.
ndacyagukeneye uri muzima kano kajya ku kibundo cyawe kararasa nibyo katazi ndapfuye fire baraga
No.
wenda arasa nyoko
D. Listen to me.
ndagira ngo unyumve
This is so stupid.
ibi ni ubugoryi waba ukoze
Let's just grab as much of this gold as we can.
reka duterure zahabu dukeneye
Because when the feds show
sohoke hano tugende
your ass up forever.
mbere yuko FBI ihagera njye nawe tuzigabane
The gold.
njye ntabwo naje hano kwiba zahabu
I just want my family back.
njye naje gusubirana na famiye yanjye
Well, then you got a deal.
wa muhungu koko ni umusazi umuntu uvuga ngo ntago akeneye zahabu noneho ndakomfirimye ni igisazi
Your mommy back.
noneho rero ugiye kuntwaza zahabu nawe ngo utwaze nyoko
Take this out of here.
izi zahabu kuzikura byatwara iminsi
I won't leave it to you.
izahabu nyinshi kandi ziba ziremereye zimeze nk'amabuye
Strong, strapping lad.
umusore ukomeye wije yantwazaho duke duke
Give me 2 ingots.
uramo ingots nk'ebyiri
Brother owes me.
buriya boro bumeze nk'ubutafari bwa zahabu zikozemo sindabibabwira mwe murabizi
That's it.
nanjye mujye mubara muzi amasarabwayi muzi intosho iki ni ikibinonko
Come on.
mujye mwihangana mu gihe tugeze mu mabuye nakuriyemo ariya mabuye muri kubona bayita zahabu ariya nyine bayenda gusa nk'umuhondo urabizi
You just give me 2 on top of that. Just
nyongezaho n'utundi tubiri sha aragipakira kimushyiraho n'umunwa aragipakira biba biremereye du ka ingots kamwe ni ugaterura umugabo wagira ngo ateruye isarabwayi biba biremereye njya mbona udukobwa ngo uzi ko ngo nambaye amagarama nimba ari rimwe uzi ko ari amagarama 5 abagabo bari guterura mu matoni ugarama
That's it, strong guy.
bari abahungu naje kuvumbura ko banabagurira pirate bakabashuka bwombo bwo ariko rubanda baranatinyuka koko bazubwira abantu ngo sheri yakuguriye ngo ni oro originali impamvu mbizi neza ngo sheri wanjye ni umusirimu ntabwo yagura ikintu kiri pirate mbe sheri wawe ni imbobo bwombo yatumye agura pirate bari ubupirate bwinshi muzajye gupimisha ni umusirimu ntiyagura pirate abahungu wowe urabazi umuhungu aba ari umwana wundi bazi ko ntabizera kuri ka gatwiko kabo katinjiza urebe zamukana hasi kuri zahabu ni nkeya ni udutafari duce ariko turaremereye kandi umugabo ni umusore
Get up. Pick it up, or else your mom goes flying.
kumba umugore wa FBI yamaze kuhagera kare
Making a fatal mistake.
Agent John the scene.
Where's Cole?
ko ari he sasu fata mama we
Pick up the gold.
Pick up the fucking gold!
That's it. Good boy. Hey, dude, what are the odds? Huh?
base gupakira zahabu n'ubundi
Your straight as an arrow brother decides to borrow money from the wrong people.
muvandimwe wawe utaha ujya umubwira nicyo bigenda iyo ugujije amafaranga abantu batari bo.
You know how it is. And now here you are. Oh, D. I gotta tell you, thought I'd be happier to see you, but So goddamn sad to me now, huh?
Yongeye kubabara kubera wongeye kumbona hano, sibyo?
Powerless.
Ambaraga ugifite.
You used to run this shit.
Kera wari uyoboye bino bintu man, wari utuyoboye.
I don't know why he's doing all this, huh?
Uzi impamvu Mungu ari gukora bino byose? Niwe hari kubikorera, niyo mpamvu yabaye imbwa.
Have to do this, D.
Ati ntabwo ari ngombwa bino bikore. N'ubundi aratwica. Ni mama we.
You're right. I go.
Yeah.
You're fucking insane!
Umusazi. Zaba zitaye hakurya.
Fucking insane!
Umusazi. Kiraseka.
Energy trying to hide who you are.
Imbaraga nyinshi uri kuzangiza mu kugerageza kwigira utari we.
I'll constantly be that voice in your head, reminding you that you're never gonna fucking change!
Do! Naga mama! Musore! Rebe! Cyo! Cyawe! Hey! Ubu ni abasazi hano babuye yabasajije. Hey! Bose! Cyawe! Uramenyo! Cyecuru! Afashe habi. Cyecuru afashe habi. Tururi. Yeah! Kikabo. Bose ni cyawe gahanga! Gahanga kirakamenya! Rebe! Kunira mwifi! Ibira babavuga! Rebe! Tera! Tomanyira gwe! Yewe! Kikabara kizinga. Kibagiramo. Tomanyira. Rebe! Kereka icyuma. Yewe!
Not insane.
Ntabwo ndi umusazi. Naje gukira. Harambiwe abantu bamwita umusazi. Kandi abona aribo basazi. Abantu benshi barasaza ariko mu ibanga rikomeye ku buryo batabizi. Yeah. Yeah. Hano. Imbere y'uwa FBI. Kigiye kumwica nawe. Igisazi.
You're not gonna die here.
Ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Ko kivugira kandi gahoro. Kiri kugerageza guhinduka. Cyaraganga ntabwo uri buze gupfira hano. Kigabo nta santima nta mutima wa FPR amaze kuvuga ati umusaza aranyishe. Mama.
I'm sorry.
Mutubabarire.
Saying you're sorry.
Kiri kuvuga ngo nkubabarire ariko.
Sorry for your loss.
Wihangane ku gihombo wagize.
For Sean.
Cyo kubura umwana wawe Shani. Ngo kiri kumuhumuriza ariko mukecuru. Mwihangane ko mwagize ibyago condoleance. Mbega ni ibintu biba bitakivuye ku mutima. Kuko nta santima kigira ngo kiri kugerageza kongera kugaruka muri societe. Abantu biboka ibibazo umuntu abaranyuzimo batakigira ubwoba batakigira na santima nta mutima nta mama umuntu yarahumuye yarariwe. Kiri kugerageza kunywa ibinini cyongera ikimere nk'abantu basanzwe. Aya mumbonye mubona ngira santima nge.
Think back to all Sean's letters.
Iyo nekereje ku nzandiko Shani yanyetiye.
But he was dying to tell someone.
Yari ameze nk'ushaka kubwira umuntu ko ari icyo yafumbuye.
Safe. He knew he never could.
Wenda gishobora kurinda famiye ye kurusha yari kuyirinda.
Abandoned naval base called Guardian Island.
Nibwo yaje kugurikirwa cyari cyaratawe cyari ikibirindiro cya Navy babasirikare barwanira mu mazi. Cyitwa Guardian Island.
Yamashita Gold.
Icyari kiri kuri icyo kirwa nta kindi ni zahabu zabitwa ba Yamashita.
During World War II. And smuggled out.
Zahabu zari zaraburiwe irengero mu ntambara y'isi ya kabiri.
Sean put together the clues.
Sean yakomeje kugenda aterateranya ibimenyetso. Aza kumenya ko agomba kugura icyo kirwa. Arangisha gusa amafaranga bakonga gore kino kirwa. Atarabishyura abagabo nibwo bamugezeho.
Looks like Sean wasn't so perfect after all.
Uze ngo Shani nawe ntabwo yari intungane.
Perfect. But he didn't deserve to.
Murumuna wanjye ntabwo yari intungane ariko ntabwo yari akwiye gupfa.
They're gonna come after you, you know.
Bazakuzire kurabizi.
I can handle it.
Je nagiye migwa kenshi nakwiyitaho.
Your mother.
Nawe se famille yawe mama wawe. Baraza kumira sawa.
Make sure of it.
Nzakora uko nshoboye bimeze neza. Wowe se?
Might try being myself for a while.
Nanjye ndaza kugerageza mbese sawa. N'ibinini arafite. Yari gukoresha telefone bita P37 ya Itel iri gusangwa mu maduka yose ya Itel mu gihugu. Niko ga telefone yari kuvugira ubonye ko iminsi yose yamaze ari kukirwa yigeza charginga kandi yari akivugira kuri P37 kugeza film irangiye. Hari byo ngubwira ngo iriya telefone ya P37 ishobora kubika umuriro iminsi ngahe 3 yikoresha utaracharginga. Yafashe ubwato arimanukira na filime yacu nuko igenze isanga ku gasobanuye films.com no mu ba DJ Imana bamugisha ndabakunda cyane ukeneye kwamamaza kuri izi filime wamaze ku cyiciro gikuru cy'agasobanuye 0785638333 ciao ciao.
Ziyonderekeza nkurikiwe n'abamvuma ariko nawe utegeka ijambo rimwe gusa ryabaga rihagije ngo bakwire imishwaro bishwe n'ikimwaro ijwi ryawe ryuzuye imbaraga kugeza naho rirangurura ingoyi zose zigacika